I think it's saved us a fortune on wasted salad already. We're terrible for buying it. My wife using it a bit. Those bags, when you open them, they kind of go off straight away. I wish I was better at kind of more consistently growing salad, and I think this is probably what will do it for me, is having it right in front of us so we know we'll grow it and pick it every time. I say, okay, so ignore the very messy windowsill with all my succulents and things on it. What we're looking at is this rather space age LetPot Hydroponic growing system. Got given this a few months ago, so I mean I've been given it, so obviously it does bias you slightly, but I like to be really honest in my reviews, and I wanted to give it a proper go before I did anything. But when I took it out of the box, I was fairly impressed. Feels solid, which is always nice, because sometimes you worry with these things, but they don't. All the LEDs. Comes with plant food A and B. It's got these, which obviously hold the plants in place. We've got our little kind of koi soil bits. Got what I assume is the riser for the lighting unit. This would be great for herbs and stuff in the house. Could have done this a few months ago, keep us going through winter with basil and stuff. There's a filter on the pump as well. That goes over the top, like so. I'm guessing these go in here. Oh wow, that's cool. Huh. Okay, this is pretty space age really. It's quite a space age looking thing. Comes with a few different accessories. It comes with the little plugs to put in there, like sponge-like things to grow your seeds in. You have some little domes to start with to keep the moisture in and get your seeds to germinate. And it also comes with the nutrients to start with as well to feed your plants. Now, I think this has been going, I'm looking at the app, so there is an app with it and it's all smart controlled, so I can turn stuff on and off on my phone. So if I'm away, I can use it, which is pretty cool. Also got the pump as well, so it can circulate the water that's in there and the nutrients, obviously mix it round. So in the winter we end up buying lots of salad and it costs a fortune, half of it goes bad. I can never seem to grow enough in the garden, especially over the darker months here. It's pretty hard to do, kind of just feeding it to the slugs really. This has been superb. So my wife, I mean it's looking a bit leggy now and I think it's time has come now for me to replace the plants. You can see how good the roots are doing on there, look. But I think the time has come now for me to replace these plants and replace the plugs. But my wife has been pulling from this every single day for her sandwiches. She's a massive salad lover. The rest of us aren't quite as bothered by salad. So she's the one that's really benefited from this. But I'll tell you, when this was germinated, I'd say that these were the most watched seedlings ever. Everyone was kind of like just looking over. Really nice to have them right in front of you. And also be fairly low maintenance. Like you fill it, it's got a 4-litre reservoir. You fill it with your water and nutrients, and you just kind of leave it. You've got it on timers and stuff on your app on your phone. You've got this LetPot app, so you can schedule it 16 hours a day, sunlight. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of perfect. And actually, we don't need it on first thing in the morning. This gets loads of sun first thing in the morning here. To be honest with you, I would quite happily have one the full width of the windowsill here. I really like it. And I think growing stuff to eat like this is just really good, really good. I found it doesn't use much power. I think it's 24 watts total, but that's with the pump going. So I think when the pump's not going, it's even less again. You can grow flowers on it. You can adjust the height of the lights, how close you want them to your plants. It depends on how much they get. I think the other plants around it are probably benefited as well, to be honest with you. The build quality is really good. You've got some sticks, holes for sticks, so you can support your plants in there as well. I'd really like one for kind of starting seeds off. I think would probably be my dream one to have. But I think for growing salads and herbs in the kitchen is really cool. It's going to be fairly easy to change stuff out. I'm just going to pull those out, cut the roots off, wash it all up, and we'll start again and we'll grow a different salad next time. See what's good for growing hydroponically. But I like this Mizuno, nice and spicy. Maybe Rocket or something like that next would be cool. Although this is a given to me, would I buy it myself is the question I've got to ask. And I think I would. And I am actually tempted to buy another one and put alongside it there. So I'd say that's a good endorsement of it, really. Especially if we get some solar panels and I'm not having to use electric to kind of run it, or not from the grid to run it. I think that would be really important for me. You know, growing food that way, kind of recycling it round. But yeah, I'm really tempted to get another one. Really am. And I think that might be in one of our next purchases for the kitchen here. So we can have one with herbs, one with salad, or have it on rotation. So these are kind of going over now. It'd be nice to have some more that are just coming on, just ready to go. And maybe it'd get me better at growing stuff on a cycle and, you know, keeping on top of salads and things, because I tend to do it so that we have loads of salad or we have no salad, and I'm not very good at getting that in-between space kind of right. But my wife just loves it every day in her sandwiches. So for her, she's been loving this. For her, it's been brilliant. In fact, I'd say it was a gift for her and not for me, to be honest with you. But yeah, love it. Gonna get another one. Thanks to LetPot. Yeah, see you next time.